Hey,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm doing fine. Ma'am, how can I help you? Would you like to buy anything? I have lots of things. This one. Oh, you have a nice choice. In this summer, you can just simply switch it on and you can enjoy the cool air. It will refresh your mind and body. So, would you like to buy this one?
Yes.
Okay. This color is very good and the permanent color. So, the price is very low. You can purchase it with 500 taka. So, would you like it? Please see. Have a look. Okay, so thank you, ma'am. This is yours. Would you like to buy anything else? This one. Okay, ma'am. You can have a look, please. This is the original product. This is really a original product. You can purchase it, and it will just simply help you to raise your lips. Right? Just it will give you a good look. So, would you like to purchase it?
Yes.
Okay. But it's very expensive. How much? It's 1,000 taka. No. Okay, I'll give you discount. Do you want discount? Okay, so it's 5,000. 5,000. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.